The leaked early build of Windows 11 has been making its rounds on the internet. However, seeing how it's not, an official release, it's been kind of difficult for many people to install. So that's why here is a step-by-step guide on how to install this super early leaked build of Windows 11. Now granted, even though the build is in a very usable state like it's shown in my video yesterday, which I recommend you check out, it's going to be up in the iCards, it's still not guaranteed to completely work. There might be severe bugs and glitches, not to mention security flaws. So first of all, naturally, you're gonna need the ISO file, the link to which is gonna be down in the video description below. Once you have it downloaded, if you're planning to install Windows 11 on the PC you have downloaded the file to, then simply just open the file and run the executable. Alternatively, if you want to have a ready image on, say, a disk or a USB drive, then you're going to need the help of a app called Rufus, and the download link for it is also going to be down in the video description below. Then you simply use the app to make an image of the ISO on whatever you want. Once that's done, you're pretty much ready to install. From there you just simply run the executable, click next a couple of times, and yeah, you may run into this unfortunate issue which many people have been complaining about. It will say something about your PC not supporting things called TPM 2.0 and secure boot. However, you can fix it pretty easily. All you have to do is download a modified DLL file, the link to which is also going to be down in the video description below, and then simply replace the existing file with the same name in the sources folder in the image. When that's done, just wait half an hour or so, and there we go. You have a nice clean install of this very early build of Windows 11. So let me know if you use this video to install Windows 11 yourself and how you're finding Windows 11 so far. I think it's kind of neat. It definitely needs a bit of more work though. But if you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on Windows 11. Alternatively, if you want to help support the channel in a different way, then we also have a Patreon down in the video description below, and even $1 a month goes a long way in how I earn my channel and allows me to make way better videos, along with videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also love to find my patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Naomi Sushi, Meg Sumner, Blake the Rake, and Roland Cloaker. Thank you guys so much, your support truly goes a long way. Alternatively, if you're planning to buy anything from Amazon, use our Amazon links down in the video description below, because that way you don't pay anything extra while we get sent money, so it's a win-win. Then there's also our customs link if you want to get 5% off on the awesome keyboards. Plus then there's also our Discord server if you want to talk to me or others about this or whatever else really. And also our social media links are down there as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.